Hello, this tutorial is going to give you a little insight on how to upload any file to your cPanel. The question I get a lot of times is how do I upload a file, how do I upload a song, and basically the steps for either of those files or types are the same. You're going to want to go into your cPanel, and once you log in you're going to have a bunch of icons. Find your file manager. This is probably the icon or the area you'll spend most of your time in. And then within that button, there's going to be a folder called Public HTML, and that's going to be the primary folder used for broadcasting your internet files. So, again, it would reason that if you want to make any changes to something that someone would see on the internet, you would have to go into this folder. So let's go in there. Now, this is also going to be known as the root file or root directory, and basically you can either upload the file in here, or I have other subfolders that I have other programs under. Or let's say I wanted to create a new folder. I just simply click the new folder button there, and then I'm going to type in new folder. It lets you name what you want the new folder to be, and then I'm going to click create. And there you find the new folder. And I'm going to open that. Now keep in mind all this file structure and everything you see me doing here. Let me go up one level. This is just like file structures on your computer that you're watching this video on right now. You can create a folder on your desktop, and then you can open that folder and make subfolders within it. That's basically what you're looking at here. I just made a subfolder called New Folder. So let's go into that. And it's very easy. Upload files. Just click that. Now cPanel gives you the option to upload several files at once without the use of FTP or File Transfer Protocol. So, for example, let's click Browse. And basically at this point you would find on your system the file that you wanted to load. So I'm just going to load this simple index file here and hit upload. And that was a really small file. The upload took no time at all, and there it is. Now let's say I wanted to upload a zip file. Again, I go to upload files, and here's a zip file. So I'm going to click that, click open, click upload. Once that occurs, again, just like the first file, you'll see the file. And you'll notice that this is a zip file. Now, a zip file is kind of special because that means it's kind of a package with other files in it. So to open this file, I'm going to click on it, and notice how this option box appeared on the right. Click Extract File Contents, and this nasty pop-up window will appear. That means it extracted the contents. Now, you won't see the contents right away because the page needs to be refreshed. Best way to do that is to go up one level and then back into the folder you just did that, and now you can see another zip file came out along with a PDF file. So that's basically how you upload files. Let's go up one level. For example, if you wanted to load music, it's real common for people to maybe say music, and they'll create a folder. And then there's the music folder. You open that, and when you go to upload files and browse here, you just simply select the MP3 files that you want to have uploaded into your music folder. And that's basically it, folks. Pretty much any file that you're given can be uploaded into your cPanel this way. Where it doesn't work too well is if you have very, very large files or more files than cPanel gives you, then you're going to want to use FTP, which is going to be in your FTP manager, FTP accounts, and this is kind of the route you would have to take there. But that's beyond the scope of this tutorial. This was just to show you how to upload things through your file manager. I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, you can always contact me. It's Justin Tucker at webmaster@planettucker.com. And my home web address is planettucker.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.